is that you're gonna think about tonight and the memories we made here together at SoFi Stadium. I'll be your host this evening. My name is Taylor. Thank you for traveling with us here at the Eras Tour. We could leave the Christmas lights until January. This is our place. We make the rules. And there's a dazzling haze, mysterious way about you, dear. Have I known you 20 seconds or 20 years? Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? Take me out and take me home. You're my lover. Could let our friends crash in the living room. This is our place. We make the call. And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I've left you 3 seconds.